Welcome to We Freeze Dry, and hey, hopefully welcome back to the channel. This is my channel here is all about freeze drying here on We Freeze Dry. Yes, and so let's get started. So on this video, we are going to take this lovely ripe Panamanian pineapple, which cost me just over $1 only. Yes, and we're going to turn it in to some lovely pineapple chips. You heard me correctly. Freeze-dried pineapple is so lovely, it doesn't need to be reconstituted. You can, like for putting it into maybe like a salad or something, like a fruit salad, but here at our house, we love it in this form. And so, enough said, let's get started, and we're gonna, next thing you're gonna see is you're gonna see my wife doing the prep and cutting. She's much better with a knife. One, two, three, and four. I'm pretty sure these are done, but we'll just, yeah, they're 100, reading over 100 everywhere. Okay. It's going to close this, exit, yes, defrost, start. So we got some bags, and we're gonna get this stuff bagged up. What I'm gonna definitely do, it makes things easier, I'm gonna buy that funnel and stand from freezedryingsupplies.com. Definitely looks like a really good extra additional item needed for the freeze drying. Could be using gloves probably, but currently these are things only going to be used by ourselves. I was thinking of powdering this up, but then I realized it's better like this because then you still have the option to do powder or not to do powder. Because in this form, you know, you could decide to take it out, put it in the blender for a couple of seconds, and then you'd have powder for smoothies. Oh, I never tasted one as well. Very delicious. Some oxygen absorbers out. Put them on here. Got 1, 2, 3. How many bags? Got 2 over there, so we need 5 in total. Shut this up. One, 2, 3, 4. I guess I can't count. 5. Okay. Get the impulse sealer. Oh. Another hidden bag. These are 7mm Mylar bags from Discount Mylar. I have in the link, in the comments section or the description, there will be my affiliate link.
And here we have a great rookie mistake. Obviously with not only the lighting, but I didn't have the audio on. So here I am just going to open up this Mylar bag, which we have just sealed up just a minute ago with the freeze-dried pineapple. Looks, showing this camera, can't really see it, but too good because of exposure. Just taking a bite. Yeah, no, that tastes really good. The freeze drying really enhances the pineapple flavor. It's really, yeah, it's really nice. You can rehydrate them, like I've said in the beginning, but with like fruit salads or something like that. But here in our household, we totally love the freeze dried pineapples, so we just leave it in this state, yeah, as actual snacks. And they are, I tell you, superb. Well, I'm just gonna put this, since we've opened this Mylar bag up, I'm just gonna put the contents here. The rest of the pineapple from the bag into the jar, put the oxygen absorber on, and get that sealed up. Yeah, excellent. And I'm now just going to seal it airtight with my trusty little thing I purchased on Amazon for like 25 bucks. It's great. Works on both the standard jars and the wide mouth jars. You just put it on there and it'll suction it up in roughly, they recommend 40 seconds, and then you just pop it off and it's sealed. And there you have it. Well, that's it for this episode here. We've taken fresh pineapple and freeze dried it and sealed away in these Mylar bags and some in one jar. Mylar bags, obviously, you're gonna get 20-25 years properly stored. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this episode of We Freeze Dry It, where we're freeze dry everything. I would love to know, your comments, and I do apologize for having the voiceover here, but drop in the comments what you'd like to see moving forward. And if you are thinking about using or purchasing a freeze dryer like a Mega or Stay Fresh Mega or Standard, please consider using my affiliate links in the comments. Same with anything else you see, like the Mylar bags or the impulse sealer. And we'll look forward to see you on the next one. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Take care.